Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix these floppy AC vents that, oh, my skin looks weird on camera. That's weird. These floppy AC vents that don't really stay where you want them to, and this is busted. You can see here, same thing, just floppy, just stupid, don't work anymore. My situation, I ordered some new ones off of eBay that fit this 89 Toyota pickup I'm working on here. So this is the best way to go, but if you look here, there's a bushing right here and a gasket. See the little gasket? That's what kind of slows stuff down when you turn them. So you can put some, and the way these pop out too is they just literally lift out. One side has a pin, one side has a collar, but you can put a little electrical tape wrapped around this pin and then kind of wedge it in, and it'll keep the tension so the vent stays up or down. So there's a little trick there, but on my case, I'm gonna actually replace these. I'll show you what I pulled out. This is what came out of the left side. This is the driver's side here. Those of you following the restoration of this truck, this thing is just done, and the directors don't work anymore. It's just shot. You know, 30 years of use, and the AC still works in this thing, so people have been using this for a while. So I ordered a new one off of eBay that fits this truck, and this is a nice bushings. All the doors work on it, and I washed it in the sink, gave it a good bath. So that one's ready to go. This thing is done. So you see here what I'm doing here. I just pulled out the center part of the dash here, the black part. Real easy to do. A couple Phillips head screws, a little nut on that, and undo the hazard, and it's out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these new ones in, kind of show you how they pop in. All right, so I got the other one removed. I just smacked it with the screwdriver. Came right out through the back. Put this one in here. So I'm gonna align that little pin. See this little part that rotates? That piece goes in this little receptacle here, like that, and then this one just drops in like that. Perfect. Look at that. Nice, and it works nice and new. This one here, same situation. So you want to clock it so the little pieces angled backward, about right there. And this guy just slips in like this. And that should just click in. Boom. Nice. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, that's the most annoying thing riding down the road, is not being able to get the AC set up right. So let's see. Let me go over to the other side. All right, on the Toyota, this is the whole assembly, and I don't think you can get just the vent itself, this piece. I don't know why, but I had to buy it just like this. I don't think it's really serviceable. You guys tell me in the comments. But this just goes in. Get a better shot here. This just goes in like this. Literally just sets there, and you can feel the foam in the vent kind of grab. That's all that does. That's perfect. So there's two screws that hold this guy in. One goes down here, and one goes right here. So let me get this tightened up, and I'll get the dash snapped back on and show you the finished result on how to replace the AC vents in your Toyota. So here we are, loosely in place. I have the hazards re-hooked up on this side, and this little dimmer switch hooked up on this side. So now I want to show you down here, the one thing that's going to piss you off when you're trying to put this back together is you see this little tab. This is a screw that gets put in, so you can just, without taking all this apart, I'm trying to save you some time, trying to save you some time. So without taking all this apart, you can just pull this forward and then slide that tab back behind there, and then you can put your screw in. That'll save you a lot of headache of getting this part off. It's not hard, it's just, you know, it just adds time to the project. So I'm going to get this screwed on now. Okay, got everything installed. Perfect. So, take it a wide here. There's the new dash vents installed, and they actually stay where you put them, which is a huge deal. This was a very annoying thing. So if you guys have floppy or loose air vents, the fix is definitely to order some new ones on eBay. And you can try my little electrical tape fix, but that may or may not solve your problem. I've gotten it to work on some Nissans before, but if the bushings are so far gone, like the ones I had in here, there's really nothing that's going to stop them from flopping around. Same here, nice and good. So I think I paid, this one was kind of expensive, 40 bucks for this one, and I think it was 39 bucks, 40 bucks for those two as a pair. And that one over there, it's loose, but at least the directors work on it. So, you know, it's a little floppy. I'm not too worried about it. This truck will probably never have passenger in it. My wife doesn't really like it that much. But yeah, there we go, guys. So that's how to fix your floppy air vents. Remember to subscribe and like, and get you in the next one. Later.